Mr. Matthews?
That is all accurate, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Pataki, how old are you?
51.
How far did you go through school?
I have some college and some vocational certificates.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Are you able to read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes.
Prior to coming to court, have you taken any drugs or alcohol or any prescription medication in the last 48 hours?
Just prescription.
What have you taken?
Booze bar.
And when did you take that?
This morning.
Does it affect your ability to understand what's going on here today? And did you get a copy of this indictment?
Yes.
And you're going to enter a plea to the charge of possession of heroin, a felony of the 5th degree?
Yes.
All right, before I accept your guilty plea, I need to determine that you know and understand the constitutional rights you'll be waiving, the consequences of your guilty plea, and the maximum penalty I could give you, and I need to be satisfied that your guilty plea is being made freely, knowingly, and voluntarily.
This may sound routine, but it's a crucial moment. The judge is making sure the defendant fully understands the rights she's giving up before accepting the guilty plea.
I'm going to ask you questions. If you don't understand a question, stop me. If you want to talk to Mr. Matthews some more, let me know, and I'll give you more time. You understand that?
Yep.
You have a constitutional right to have a trial, either to me or to a jury of 12 Lake County citizens. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you go to a jury trial, all 12 members must agree to a guilty verdict before you can be found guilty. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you go to trial, the prosecutor will call witnesses to testify against you. Do you understand the prosecutor must prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt at a trial?
Yes.
After the witnesses are done testifying for the prosecutor, you have the constitutional right to have your lawyer cross-examine those witnesses. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you go to trial, you have the right to have witnesses come here and testify for you. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If those witnesses refuse to come to court, I'll issue an order called a subpoena to make them testify. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
You have the right to testify at trial if you want to. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
You have the constitutional right to not testify at trial if you do not want to. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you decide not to testify at trial, nobody is permitted to comment on that decision. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you go to trial and you're found guilty, you have the right to appeal the guilty finding. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you file an appeal, you have the constitutional right to have a lawyer represent you in the appeal. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you could not afford to hire a lawyer, one would be provided at no cost. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you file an appeal, you're entitled to have a transcript of all the hearings in this case. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you could not afford a copy of the transcripts, they'd be given to you at no cost. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you plead guilty today, you will not have the right to appeal the guilty finding. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about any of your rights?
No.
You still want to plead guilty to this
Yes.
charge?
Yes.
You understand by pleading guilty, you're fully admitting your guilt to the charge.
Yes.
You understand by pleading guilty to the felony, you're voluntarily giving up your freedom for whatever period of time I could sentence you to prison, to jail, or to community control.
Yes.
Possession of heroin is a felony of the 5th degree with a 12-month maximum prison sentence and a $2,500 maximum fine. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you plead guilty to the forfeiture specification, you're voluntarily giving up any right you would have to the items listed. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And are you presently on post-release control?
Yes.
Do you understand that in addition to any penalty for this offense, I could give you an additional consecutive prison sentence for the violation? Do you understand that?
Yes.
And the maximum penalty for that violation would be either 12 months or the time left under post-release control. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand your guilty plea may result in a driver's license suspension of between 6 months and 5 years?
Yes.
You understand your felony conviction prevents you from owning or possessing a firearm?
Yes.
You understand that if a prison term is imposed, you are eligible for judicial release.
Notice how the consequences keep adding up. A guilty plea doesn't just mean conviction. It can affect driving privileges, firearm rights, and even lead to additional jail time.
Yes.
I could place you on community control for up to 5 years, but if you violate, I could send you to prison for 12 months. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Has anybody promised you what I will sentence you to in this case?
No.
You understand when the prosecutor makes a recommendation, when Mr. Matthews does, I don't have to follow either.
Right. Yes.
Have you had enough time to talk to Mr. Matthews before pleading guilty today?
Yes.
Has he discussed everything about your case and answered all your questions?
Yep.
Are you satisfied with the advice he has given you?
Yes.
Have you been threatened or coerced in any way to plead guilty today?
No.
Are you freely, knowingly, and voluntarily entering your guilty plea?
Yes.
Do you have any questions at this point?
No.
Mr. Knopf, the case went to trial. What did the evidence show?
Your Honor, had the case proceeded to trial, the state would have shown that on or about April 11th, 2026, in Lake County, Ohio, the defendant was in possession of heroin. Specifically, the defendant was a passenger in a vehicle that was pulled over. Police searched that vehicle and found a bag of suspected narcotics in a coat on the passenger seat where the defendant was seated. The suspected narcotics were sent to the Lake County Crime Lab and confirmed to be heroin.
All right, Mr. Matthews, anything to add to those facts?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Pataki, did you hear what Mr. Knopf said? The facts would show if the case went to trial.
Yes.
Are those facts true?
Yes.
All right, what's your plea to possession of heroin, a felony 5?
Guilty.
And what is your plea to the forfeiture specification?
Guilty.
All right, Mr. Matthews?
Thank you, Your Honor. Prior to the hearing, I did review the written plea of guilty with Ms. Pataki. She indicated that she understood it and that she intended to sign.
Your Honor, for the record, I have witnessed the defendant and defense counsel sign the written plea of guilty. I am now signing it myself. With your permission, I'll return to the bench.
All right, Ms. Pataki, is this your signature on the written plea of guilty?
Yes.
Did you sign it voluntarily?
Yes.
Do you want me to accept your written plea of guilty?
Yes.
I'll accept the written plea of guilty. The defendant was present. Mr. Matthews advised of all of her rights. In a knowing, intelligent, voluntary waiver, she understands the nature of the charge, the consequence of her guilty plea, and the maximum penalty. Find it to be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary, will accept the plea of guilty and find her guilty of possession of heroin, a felony 5, and the specification. I'll defer sentencing till July 8th at 1 o'clock, and the bond is revoked. Anything else, Mr. Knopf?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
And that's it. The guilty plea is accepted. But sentencing is still ahead, and the defendant's fate won't be decided until the next court date.
Matthews.
No, Your
Thank
Honor.
you.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.